Bird and Kip, Episode 62, Bird's Note. Kip opened the bottle.
It's a note,
Said Kip.
I wonder who wrote it.
Kip read the note. It said, "Hello, how are you? Please write back to me."
Cool,
Said Kip.
I will write back.
Kip got a pencil and paper. He wrote a note. He put the note in the bottle. Later, Bird went to the pond. She found the bottle.
Someone wrote back to me.
Cried Bird. The new note said, "Hello, I am fine. I am writing back to you,"
This is so much fun.
said Bird. Bird wrote a new note. Kip read Bird's new note the next day. The note said, "I live in the park. Do you live in the park too?"
Wow,
thought Kip.
I do live in the park.